Happy New Year, folks. This is your old pal Pierre-André Mathieu, and I'm here to show you on how I improved the jump system and improve the aerial attack system within this project. I know you're expecting me to, show you the whole weapon switch tutorial, but I will do that when I have the time, because the weapon system is very complex. As of now, one shoe in front of the other. Anyway, what do you say we get this started, shall we? Going to my character blueprint, I have what's called the land variables, and what this does here is from the event on landed, it has a break result here, break hit result there. It extracts data from the event on landed right here. Then from the hit actor, we have to extract it from it and get class, which is the one we have right here. Then once we have our class here, we're going to have to contain it. Just like the one I have here. From this array, we have to promote this to a variable and rename it can land classes. And once we have that, what we need to do is to select the static mesh actor. That way, it doesn't matter what object you're using, it will always land. Okay, to be precise, I don't know if that's the right way to put it. Anyway, the reason why I have the static mesh actor here is because it doesn't matter what type of object you use within the map here, your player character will always land onto the static mesh actor. This is the trick I learned from Yuko Millennia, and it has done wonders. As for the jump, going back, right, hold on. I know many of you are having a problem when it comes to the jump, so I'll do my best to show you how to fix it. When you press the jump button, the character jumps, but as he is in mid-air, you try to move the left analog stick to change direction, which is not something that you want within the game, because I've played DMC 3 before and I pressed the jump button. When you're jumping in mid-air, you cannot move the direction in DMC 3, especially when you're jumping. So to fix that, you have to enable root motion, so that way you'll have the same effect as you have in DMC when you're jumping in mid-air. As for the jump in here, do the same thing, which is to enable the root motion. At the start of animation frame 0.00, you have to add end animation. Just right click, add notify, and click end animation. Then move end animation right here. When you're done, go to event and select the branching point within the montage tick type and save everything here. Do the same thing and with the jump start, which is enable root motion. Just to get my point across, let's test this out, shall we? When you jump, the character is not moving. Hold on. Let's see if I can. Yeah, I got a little something there. Okay. Now let's test it out. When you're jumping, your character should not be moving in mid-air, just like in Devil May Cry 3. Or Devil May Cry 1. Of course, I could be wrong, but your opinion may vary. Also, I want to show you something cool here. When I double jump, you have another animation jump loop whenever you're done double jumping. In comparison to this, you have this. If you don't remember the last tutorial in jump directions, or the tutorial number 3 in implementing the jump, I'll show you what I have here. This is what I have here in tutorial number 3. What it does here is it utilizes the amount of jumps you use, whether in the normal state or rage mode state, aka devil trigger. This doohickey there converts integer into a bool. The integer I have now is air jumps use. So if I want to use that within the boolean, I need this to convert integer to a bool. So to do that, you have to extract the node from air jumps use, then convert the integer into a boolean, and once you've done that, it's gonna display this doohickey there automatically. And once you're done with that, you go to event graph, and first things first, what I did here is I dragged the player character or variable from the variables section, and I choose get player. After that, I converted to validated get, which is exactly what I have here, just in case all goes wrong. One may never know. And now that I have that, I have to extract this node and get amount of air jumps used, which is the one I have here. Then after that, I have to extract this node and promote to a variable. And once I promote to a variable, I rename this air jump. Now that I have that, I go to locomotion and double click jump loop, then bring this to the jump loop, which is the air jump boolean. After that, I extract the node from there and type in blend poses by bool. And once I have that, what I'm going to need to do is uncheck expose pen, which is exactly what I just did. That way you won't have to worry about the whole blending thing, because let's be honest, we don't need that. Anyway, after extracting the bend poses by bool from the air jump, I have to determine which appropriate jump is best based on the air jump. So if it's false, I'm using the normal jump. If it's true, I'm using this for the double jump. which I got right here. So type in jump, then drag this animation right here, and once you've done that, you have to connect this link from the double jump to the true pose. When you're done, compile and save. Now let's test it out and see if it works. This is exactly what I'm talking about here.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt.
Now we can move on to refine the aerial attack system.
But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
First things first, I'm going to add a new function.
As you fade away.
And within this new function, I'm going to rename it to aerial standard attack. Well, to be more specific, I'm going to rename this save aerial standard.
All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
After that, I'm going to duplicate it.
As you fade away.
Rename this to a function. Duplicate again and rename this perform aerial standard attack. The compo version, to be precise.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Just to avoid any confusion,
I know you told your friend you're not okay. Trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
Actually,
I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
actually, I already have that, so there was actually no point. So I might as well remove that. Oops. I should name it ground. Categorize that to Arial. Okay. I'll explain to you what this do. This function, I mean. So this function works basically the same as the ground aerial combo attack. From this, you have the length. And from here, you have greater than equal to integer. So the aerial attack number integer is greater than equal to the length of our aerial combo attacks. If this is true, then we have the aerial standard combo attack number integer set to 0. If it's false, then we basically move on to whether or not the array of combo attacks is valid. If it's valid, we have set current action state, which is the melee attack. The state parameter which we have set should be 2, and the substate parameter should be based on the number of standard combo attacks that we have in this integer. Then we have standard melee attack, which from here sets the standard melee charge if we want to charge our melee attacks. The standard melee charge level should be -1, and from the amount of combo attacks we have there is where we have play and a montage. And this is the air puff here. What you see here, the air puff would not be here. So what I'm gonna do is place the air puff exactly to where this should be. And I should be able to update recent techniques after the play animation montage. Now between aerial standard combo attack number integer and the air puff, we should set movement mode. And once we have that, we need to be able to fall down once we have the aerial attack combo executed. The gravity scale should be 2, not 20. Now let's see. Nope. Still have this. Now, why is that? Well, as you can see here, the safe aerial standard melee attack is the same as we have with the ground standard melee attack. But the difference here is it doesn't have that much as the safe ground version. So going to the standard aerial attack combo function, we need to make a few changes here. If you don't know, this is able to attack on the ground. The macro one. the macro is built inside here. So as you can see here, I have is current action state equal to any. From here, what I extract from here is not boolean, which is this one. When you click it, it displays here. Then I duplicate that and extract the duplicated version to the and boolean. And from here, I extract it and get is character in the air, which is this one. From the target array, I have to extract a node from there and extract make array from here, which is the one I have here. Then from make array, I need to have melee attack. Once we got those down, I have to extract another node from and boolean and bring out a branch. Then extract two nodes from true and false and implement them to the output. If this is true, the player should not be doing any sort of aerial attacks. But if it's false, then the player should be able to do aerial attacks. And now once I got that down, what I need to do is between false and perform aerial standard attack, I'm gonna have to set a movement mode. From here, I'm going to set flying, because whenever you do an aerial attack combo in mid-air, the character should stay in the air until you're not doing any sort of aerial combo attacks. Now that I have that, let's see if it works. It is working, but that's because we're flying, and we need to stop that. So is he falling? think I know what's going on here. Yeah. Going back to the character blueprint, I'm gonna go to take variables. Then, inside here, I'm gonna go to land check. What we have here is falling, but what good will is falling do when performing an aerial attack? We seem to be on the ground when we're not. We're actually flying. So, to fix that, we need to set is flying. I'm sorry, get is flying. Then I'm gonna right click and get or boolean. In holding the control key, I'm moving 2 nodes from is falling to or boolean. Then extract the boolean from is falling and the boolean from is flying. That way we'll know the difference. Now let's see if it works. Now we got something. Let's put it to the test. Yeah, I didn't do damage because I didn't set the collision. But I can do something with the kicks. If I got them. I think I have the air puff thing on the kicks. Hold on. Oh, and just so you know, the strong version is the same as the standard aerial version, in which I don't think I have to explain to you that much here. This one should be the same. This strong version should be the same as the standard version. Now let's see. I should probably add root motions to this too. Okay, there's that. But I have to do one for the strong attacks. Yeah. Now, let's see if it works. I'm going to add this before I move on. There we go. That's the way. Now, let's add some new moves for the save aerial strong melee. Simply, I'll just add a new function and call this save aerial strong backward attack. Or better yet, I'll just call it aerial strong backward attack function. I'm gonna copy this and paste it. What I'm gonna do inside here is I'm gonna go to the ground version and copy this and paste it to the aerial backward strong version. After that, I'm gonna add a new function. I'll copy what I type here and rename this to perform aerial strong backward attack. Gonna do is I'm going to copy this going to promote this to a variable. I'm going to change it to animation montage. I'm gonna change this to strong melee. I'll change from standard to strong. Let's change the sub parameter to 25. So now that I have that, I can place this within this function right here. I'm going to do the same thing with the forward version. Duplicate that. just so that I don't waste any further time, I'm going to duplicate this. I'll replace that with the forward version. After that, I'll insert this new function and link these two together like how I did here. Now let's see. The print string is not showing. I wonder why. Aha! I found my answer. The reason why it wasn't working at first is because I forgot to connect the aerial strong backward function to the backward on attack modifier, and likewise with aerial strong for attack. Now I'm gonna add a breakpoint again, just so. If what I'm saying is true. working. Ah, because we're on the ground, not in the air. Now let's see. Yep. Still one problem. There we go. As you can see, I changed the sub-parameter for both aerial strong forward and aerial strong backward for such aerial special attacks. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add animations for it. There we go. Alright, we're going to do the same thing for standard melee attack, which is the aerial version. I'm gonna add a new function. Copy this and paste it. Yeah, what I did here is I rename it aerial forward standard attack function. Now I'm gonna copy this too. gotta rename it. First things first, I'll paste it. Then copy this and rename it to the forward version. To a variable. Rename it the forward version. Then change it to an animation montage. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert this move onto this new animation montage in which I have here. Okay, I have everything set up here. Now, let's see the results. Okay, not everything. I'm gonna extract this node, type in aerial standard forward. Let's see if this works. Nope. I'm going to add this new function. And save. Now let's see the results. Still not showing anything. That's because I have not added the perform aerial standard forward, which was a mistake on my part. Now let's see if we have everything here. There we go. Okay, now that I have everything that I've improved thus far, let's see if I can put it to the test. Very good. That's everything I have here, from improving the overall jumping system to improving the overall aerial combo attacks, both neutral and special. For my next tutorial, in which I'm sure many of you are dying to see and learn, is how to implement the melee weapon system to our player character. And keep in mind that when I release that tutorial, it's going to be very, very complex than you might think. So my advice, pay close attention and take notes as I'm going along with my approach in implementing the melee weapon system. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you do, please like and subscribe to my channel for future tutorials such as this, and keep in mind, as always, that what you take and learn from me is yours to do with as you see fit. Peace out, and enjoy a happy new year.